In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text color on Card.co. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, how to pick the right color, and a few tips to make your text stand out clearly. First, open your browser and go to Card.co. Log into your account to access your dashboard. If you're new to Card, the dashboard is your home base where all your sites live and where new projects start. From the dashboard, click New Site. This opens the template gallery. Card offers a variety of templates for portfolios, links pages, and simple landing pages, all with preset styles. If you want full control or a minimal starting point, choose the blank option to start fresh. Either way works. You can change the text color in both. Once the builder opens, click directly on the piece of text you want to recolor. This might be a heading, a subheading, or a paragraph. Selecting the specific element is important because styles are applied to the item you have active. If you have multiple text blocks, you'll repeat the same process for each one you want to adjust. With the text selected, look for the paint icon in the panel that appears. This icon opens the styling options for that element. If you don't see it right away, make sure the text is selected and check the sidebar that controls element settings. Under the color section, choose your new text color. You can drag around the color picker to experiment, enter a hex code if you have a brand color, or fine-tune with RGB or HSL values. A quick tip: aim for strong contrast against the background so your text is readable. Dark text on a light background or light text on a dark background usually works best. If your background is busy or colorful, neutral text colors often keep things clean and accessible. As you pick colors, watch the canvas update in real time. This helps you judge how the text looks in context with your layout and images. If your template includes global styles, remember that changing one element's color may not affect others, so adjust additional text blocks as needed. When you're satisfied, click Done to apply the change to that text element. If you want to reuse the same color elsewhere, note the hex code so you can keep your design consistent. After you finish making changes across your page, save your work and preview to ensure everything looks good on desktop and mobile. That's it. Log in, create or open a site, select your text, open the paint icon, pick your color, and click Done. Thanks for watching, and happy building on Card.